Thank you.
New owner of Jeff, the van.
Awesome. Yeah.
Sad day, Cole.
There you go. Thank you. Oh, there's a spare tire. About a 15-degree approach angle and departure.
Yeah,
Didn't scrape
crazy.
anything.
That's what's so nuts about these things. That performance exhaust.
I've got
A 4-in-1 setup. Where are you gonna find that? And that was welded in by a local race shop
Okay.
that only deals with Porsches.
So this is literally going to be with us forever.
That's what it's about. They also make a cool, you can get rid of the Volkswagen thing.
Yeah.
And they make one of those that looks just like that says Waterboxer.
Ooh,
I thought that was so cool.
I like that. Waterboxer.
Yep, that's what the engine's called, the Waterboxer.
Yep.
Enjoy yourself. I appreciate that you're going to do what we always wanted to do.
Yeah, he's definitely going to get a new lease and he's going to be a travel rig.
That's what it's about. It's a cool ride. It just makes you happy, and I still have no idea why. You smile when you look at it. When you drive them, you smile more.
Oh, I can't wait.
It just makes you happy. I don't know what is it. It just has enough attitude and quasi fun that it's just enjoyable.
Here it goes. Just got a van again. Yeah, what?
I have synthetic oil for you.
Awesome.